Hello, I'm Shruti from class 10th and today I'm going to tell you about the biography of an American poet named Robert Frost. So, first we'll know who was Robert Frost. Robert Frost was an American poet who depicted realistic New England life through language and situations familiar to the common man. He won 4 Pulitzer Prizes for his work and spoke at John F. Kennedy's 1961 inauguration. Robert Frost was born on March 26, 1874 in San Francisco, California. He spent the first 11 years of his life there until his journalist father William Prescott Frost died of tuberculosis. Following his father's passing, Frost moved with his mother and sister Jenny to the town of Lawrence, Massachusetts. Frost entered Dartmouth College but remained less than 1 semester. Returning to Massachusetts, he taught school, worked in a mill, wrote for a newspaper, and worked on a farm. During his spare time, he wrote poetry and dreamed of someday being able to support himself by writing alone. His first professional poem, My Butterfly, was published on November 8, 1894 in the New York newspaper, The Independent. A year later, he married Eleanor White, with whom he had shared valedictorian honors at Lawrence, Massachusetts High School. From 1897 to 1899, he attended Harvard College as a special student but left without a degree. Over the next 10 years, he wrote poems, operated a farm in Derry, New Hampshire, and supplemented his income by teaching at Derry's Picayune Academy. In 1912, at the age of 38, he sold the farm and used the proceeds to take his family to England, where he could devote himself entirely to writing. His efforts to establish himself and his work were immediately successful. The Frost sailed for the United States in February 1915 and landed in New York City 2 days after the US publication of North of Boston. Sales of that book and of A Boy's Will enabled Frost to buy a farm in Franconia, New Hampshire, to place new poems in literary periodicals and establish a third book named Mountain Interval in 1916 and to embark on a long career of writing, teaching and lecturing. In 1924, he received a Pulitzer Prize in Poetry for New Hampshire. He was lauded again for collected poems in 1930, a further range in 1936 and a witness tree in 1942. Over the years, he received an unprecedented number and range of literary, academic and public honors. Although his verse forms are traditional, he was a pioneer in the interplay of rhythm and meter and in the poetic use of the vocabulary and inflections of everyday speech. His poetry is both traditional and experimental, regional and universal. Frost became the country's most beloved poet. He received formal congratulations from the US Senate when he turned 75 and a decade later. In January 1961, Frost read his poem The Gift outright at the inauguration of President John F. Kennedy. On January 29, 1963, Robert Frost died at the age of 88 from complications following prostate surgery. Some of his poems which are very well known are The Road Not Taken, Bridges, Fire and Ice, Dust and Snow, etc.